I think I've heard about these heat pump water heaters kind of coming out on the market about 20 years ago. I think I saw the first one installed in a house. You know, I was there inspecting the house for some remodeling work. I want to say it was about 6 months ago. They just haven't been really well accepted and adopted.
And that comes down to the cost. They're expensive, you know. If you're going to triple the cost of a water heater, most people are going to go with something that's still
more traditional.
Yeah, exactly. The Marathon I mentioned is right in the middle, meaning you've got a standard tank style electric water heater. You got a Marathon heater, which is not a steel tank. It's like a polyethylene. It's plastic materials, similar to anyway. And then you got that heat pump that's right after it. So if I'm in the middle of the road and the Marathon heater's giving me, 15, 20 year warranty on their tank, it's a no-brainer for me personally. Okay. I like that.
Rosie on the house every Arizona